Ate Gianna. Asa na? Ate Joyce. We went first. Faster, Ate Miguel. Faster, faster. Remove. Come on, Ate Joyce. You need to go, Ate Joyce. Happy birthday, Persevere. 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na, 5 na. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay na kuya. Kuya Kwan. Ate Eve. Money first. Okay, come on Kuya Kwan. Oh, show off your money. Show off. Yay! Don't give it to mommy. Or ang owners of 1,000 peso beer. Oh, you get your parents. Get your parents. Oh, pari at the center. Very good, Kuya Clark. Oh, nana si mommy. Mommy Eros. Mikay. Oh, where is your... Where is she? Kinsa man ang pwede mo represent. Kids lang, kids. Okay, kuya mo ng mga mami. Okay, choose. Okay. Let's start with Kuya Eros. Your favorite animal once again is? Tiger. What is the sound of a tiger? What is the sound of a tiger?
Roar.
Roar. Okay, mommy roar. Roar, 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 roar,